Hello crypto peeps and hello crypto newbies. My name is Seb, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to show you how you can get yourself a free NFT minted on Solana with Royale 2 and potentially get up to $12,500 in a single prize out of a $25,000 pool. So first things first, we're at royale.fun, their Twitter handle, and it's just Royale 2. This is their second rendition. They just did one previously. It didn't finish too long ago, end of January, and the winner, it was just one winner. They won just over $15,000 and a 1 of 1 from Vinny Hager. Anyway, so this next one here, I'm pretty excited for, not just for crypto newbies, but it's a good chance for you to onboard 10 friends. Okay, so let's quickly go through it. It's going to require you to have Discord, which is, if you're unsure, it's just discord.com. Doesn't take too long to set up. Just email address, sometimes a mobile phone, that sort of stuff. Okay, so when we get to royale.fun, up here you'll see a Discord link. You would have set up your account, and all you need to do is click on it and it will auto join for you. Or I'm just going to copy the link address and then go to my Discord. This is my tutorial account, so this will be my first one. Just click on the plus button, join a server, and just paste in the link and join the server. All right, we are in. We're all good. And we'll cover Discord in other videos if need be, but here we are. We're good to go. These little markers, they'll go away as you become familiar with Discord. The next thing we'll need a wallet. These days I'm using wallets from Backpack and Ivana. However, on this particular occasion, you need to use either a Phantom wallet or a Soulflare wallet. Phantom is definitely probably the most user-friendly out of the two. So we've gone with Phantom. So I have another tutorial on that if you need to get that set up. And you will need a little bit of Solana. If you know a friend in crypto, I'm sure they'll be happy to send you $1 worth of Solana if they have Solana. If not, you can get some from an exchange such as Binance or Coinbase and send it to your wallet. We only have about 3 days left, and that may actually be less. So we'll just click on Mint for free, connect our Phantom, click connect, and then we have to do a signature. Click approve. The signature part is completely normal. All it says is, this is my wallet, I control this wallet. It can't do anything malicious. It can't take anything out of that wallet, although it's always a good idea to use like a fresh wallet for these sort of things. Then we can connect our Discord. This will pop up something like this and click authorize. And this is a bot, and this bot is normal and it will gain access. Now all we have to do is just click on mint your ticket. Now this Discord age is too new to mint. Unfortunately, if you're brand new to Discord, annoyingly you're not going to be able to get it. And I am brand new to Discord for this tutorial. But I'm going to show you how to get another ticket another way, and hopefully in the next rendition or in the future you can jump into these things yourself. But this is a good thing because it stops bots from coming in and botting it. Now, if you could mint your ticket, you just click on that, as you know, and then a little pop-up would come up in your Phantom, and it would cost about 0.015 Sol or something around that. It would cost you like less than 30 cents. All right, so as we have had no luck there, and as you may have a Discord account that's not new, you'll be fine. If it's new, well, at least you've got a foot in the game. I'm going to show you how you can go and buy one. So you can click on Buy on Magic Eden, and this is where you can connect your wallet and buy some if you like. People that are selling them aren't selling them for much of a profit at the moment. They're selling them and they're basically making like 20 cents or something. So we can connect our wallet here, Phantom, connect, and then just verify wallet, approve. Now we can just click on one that we want to buy. So it's just a simple thing as quick buy. If they're selling out too quickly, you can go a little bit more expensive. You'll see the price is higher than what it's listed as because there is a royalty and a fee. And then we can click approve. So we'll see if that transaction has gone through. We can check if the transaction's gone through by coming out down to this tab and it says bought. And now we've got this Royale 2 ticket. Now you've got a couple of options on how you play. My personal option is going to be trying to accumulate quite a few of these, and I'll give you a quick little bit of information why. I did cover in my previous video, but I think it's going to be worthwhile. So as we saw last time, the winning mint did very, very well, and the person was very, very happy with that. But if we go back to their main Discord, we can go to info here, or even just, I think, announcements, and it will show you the prizes. So there's actually going to be 1,000 prizes. Now, obviously, if you're winning $1, it's still something, and it's still something to get someone in and just show them how to use this Web3 kind of platform. First, second, third, looking very good. Fourth and fifth are still pretty epic. Now, how this game works is kind of like Fortnite, where 100 people start, and the last man standing, the last person standing, is the winner. When it comes to this, there's going to be, as it says, 200,000 tickets minted maximum, or it will mint for 5 days. So less than 4 days or so remaining. And then what happens is, once the game kind of starts, sometime on Sunday, February 12th, every 24 hours or so, they're probably going to just halve the supply, or burn 100,000 tickets and go from there. And it'll just be done completely by random. You do have the option, and this is covered in info here, to from time to time knock out someone. And you can do a knockout by either getting a voucher and knocking someone out, or it costs $100 US. So this is covered just here. You can go and just knock someone out with a free voucher or pay $100. So there's a little bit of fun there. I'll show you what happened with the first edition, Letters Royale. If you come to Magic Eden and go to Analytics, let me turn off Pro mode, make it a little bit easier. All right, so here it says the floor here. So the floor kind of jumps up to 1 sol, and then 5 sol, and then a big peak up to, what was that, 60, then down to 40, then up to 70, and then the game was won pretty quickly after that, and all these ones, they basically became worthless. So there's no point in buying any of these. How can you play the strategy? Well, your strategy can be a couple of different ways. Obviously, you can just go ahead and you can just mint one, and then you'll see in the leaderboards, who's doing well. At the moment, there's no actual leader because the game hasn't started. You can see there's 43,000 tickets alive. None have been eliminated, and just over 10% is listed for sale. You'll see all your tickets here in your particular wallet. You can either just be subjected to the fact that some of them are going to be eliminated. Then you can go into the marketplace and try and recoup some of the money that you maybe paid just by selling them on Magic Eden or your preferred marketplace. Or you can hold out and maybe win something, at least maybe keep some there. So I'll show you how you can get quite a few tickets quite easily as well with 2 other systems, as this may be for you. You might be willing to spend $10 and have a bit of fun. One is hyperspace.xyz. You can just type in Royale 2 ticket here, but I'll just link this below. You connect your wallet like this, and Phantom, connect here, and then it's just called a sweep mode. So it doesn't matter what the color is. All that matters is if you're lucky or not. So I can go and I can sweep, say, 19. It will cost me 0.47 sol, or you can do a maximum of 30. You can just continue to do this. Clicking on the buy now. Okay, so it's not working for me here, but I think it might be something to do with Phantom on this. So you can use this sweeping function quite often. Alternatively, I would suggest using Soul Sniper. So soulsniper.xyz, once again, I'll have this collection listed below. We can go and we can snipe them. Come up to the top right, connect your wallet, Phantom, and connect, and then we can just go and do a sweep. Just moving like that, sweep, buy now. It prepares the transactions. Not all of them will necessarily go through if a lot of people are buying them, and unable to simulate. Sometimes you see this error, unfortunately, so I'm just going to do a refresh on this page. Unable to simulate basically means the wallet can't actually see what's going to happen by sending a transaction or like a kind of pretend transaction through first. it's going to fail as a transaction. So we'll try it again, click approve. So it's going to cost us, it said like 0.3, but it ended up costing us 0.4 something because of that royalty and the marketplace fees, which are added on top. And then if we jump into our wallet, come into this tab, we now have more of these tickets. There's another way you can do it as well. You can just set a price like that, or you can click on the sniper bot and you can just decide, okay, I'm going to fund this wallet. So I'll show you this now. It's a little bit more complex, but let's do it. This is more like a centralized exchange like Binance. So I can put in some money. I'll put in 0.5 Sol. I'll deposit that. And then I can just set up their bot just to buy them when, say, the price goes down. Just remember that after this game starts, these tickets will still be able to be sold even if they change their status from alive to dead. So you want to make sure that you've cancelled any orders after that. Here we can change the price. So if the price is that amount, we can just buy how many, or we can put in a price below the floor. So if it drops down to that amount, we might want to buy 10. Place the order. This is how much it will cost, and place the order. And then if we go into our sniper bot, into our orders, we can see our orders that they're open, and when they get filled, they'll show that they're getting filled. So once we have all those tickets coming, you may wish to accumulate some throughout the next couple of days. It's entirely up to you. But at the very least, what I would suggest, if you're already in Solana, get a few friends involved. Get 10 normie friends and try and get more people in, because this is a fun thing. It's free to play. Essentially, you could send them $1 worth of Sol, 50 cents worth of Sol. They could get amongst it, and maybe one of your friends literally wins $12,500, and that would be a nice start to their Web3 adventure. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can find me on Twitter at SebMonty. You'll see me in my sexy ape, of course. Hit me up there. Otherwise, put a message in the comments below, or you can also jump into Discord. And if you are new to the Web3 space, just be mindful. Every now and then you'll come across a scammer that will send you a message and try to trick you. So just be a little bit vigilant in this space, and good luck. It's a fun adventure, and I'll chat to you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.